Tutorial video to teach you to change the pressure settings that has been pre-programmed during the installation. If you remember in my first video, I've actually set the recommended tire pressure of this bike for both the front and rear tire as 160 kPa. So now I will guide you through on how to change the pressure. Click on the bike, go to the settings menu, tap on edit bike profile. Yeah, and now you see that the front and the rear tire pressure is set as 160 for both. So now I want to change the front tire from 160 to 150. Tap on the front tire recommended pressure, and then there's a scroll wheel here. Change to 150. And if you recognize that when I changed the recommended to 150, the min and max was changed automatically. And a note earlier that I said that in the advanced user, you can actually manually change the min and max. So now what I can do is I can override the min. I can lower down the min to any figure that I want to, up to 30 kPa. However, a note is that you cannot set the min higher than the recommended. So if I set the min higher than recommended, what it does is that the app would self-correct it to 150, and same apply for the max. I cannot set the max lower than the recommended. So if I try to set the max lower than 150, the app would self-adjust it back. So what I'll do now is I still want the recommended to be 150, and I'll let the min and max to be self-defined. Click done. So there's a warning that says that the new settings has to be synced to the sensor. Click OK to proceed. So the minute I click OK and I click done, it will ask me to sync the new settings, which is the changes from 160 kPa to 150 kPa on the front right sensor. So what I need to do now is I need to go to the front tire sensors, remove the sensors from the valve, wait for 8 seconds, and after 8 seconds I need to screw this sensor back to the tire valve, the front tire. Once I've screwed on back to the front tire, what I need to do is I need to hold the phone very close to the sensors, click on OK, and now it's syncing or it's programming the new settings to the sensors here. It's all done, and now my new settings is actually synced to the sensors here. And just to show you that it's been synced, I can go back to the settings menu, go to the edit bike profile, and now you observe that the front tire has been changed from 160 kPa to 150 kPa.